Hey guys, welcome back, Crummy and Homestead. I'm going to do some chicken wings. Just do them in the oven. So, little recipe here is I've just got some Cajun seasoning and also some Caribbean jerk style seasoning. I think it's got quite a high percentage of salt in this, which is good because we want quite a bit of salt. So the first thing is just get your chicken wings and then just I like to just pat them dry a little bit with some kitchen paper, and then I've got a big bowl, plastic bowl here, so I'm just going to whack them into there once I've patted them dry. Just gets any kind of excess moisture off them. Luckily we've escaped the snow that's affected the east side of the UK, I believe. I've not seen the news yet, but I believe they were due to get quite a significant, I say significant for the UK, a significant snowfall, up to 12 inches, a foot of snow, which, yeah, you know, for the UK that is pretty rare these days, I'll tell you. But we've escaped it altogether. Been very cold though, with that east wind. Very cold. I've been out for another walk today. I'll bring you up to speed with that at some point. With me, I'm doing the 1,000 mile walk 1,000 miles challenge 2021. So I've been out and done another 10 miles today. So I'm glad I was wrapped up. Right, I'm going to pause this and I'll bring you back when I've got them done. Okay guys, 20 minutes has elapsed. So, all we need to do now... Look at that, it's all steamed up. Getting a wee bit closer. So I'm just going to turn these over, but before I do that, I'm just going to put a little bit of this seasoning, this other seasoning, sprinkle a bit onto each one. That's just going to help the skin crisp up and the fat to come out. So I'll just turn those over. Just a little bit more on this side. Okay, so there, we'll go back in for another 20 minutes and we'll come back and turn them over again. Okay, catch you in another 20 minutes. Okay, another 20 minutes has gone by. Pulling up really nicely. So I'm going to turn them once again for the final time. Actually, yeah, I forgot to say, now at this point what you want to do is crank the oven up to 200. So I'm just doing that now, and that should help just to crisp them up that little bit more. Okay, so same, start this side. Okay, I'm just going to put a wee bit more of the seasoning on, so not a lot. And then when that gets up to temperature, well, in fact I'll put them back in now. I'll just give them a little bit longer to allow for the oven to come up to temperature. Right, see you in around another 20 to 25 minutes. You can see that I've got the plate warming in the oven. I think very much done. Okay, let's have a look at these bad boys. Smells absolutely fantastic. And can you hear that? Pretty crispy there. I really like chicken wings. I know some people put other stuff on, like probably honey and stuff like that, but this little simple recipe works really well, I think anyway. And you can see all the fat there. That's the beauty of doing them on the grill pan. I just put it to soak, it will clean up fine, no problem. So there we go, guys. Nice little recipe. It's a recipe really, but for chicken wings, and not forgetting a bit of Sauvignon Blanc. Why not, eh? Bon appetit!